to my channel. Today we will be doing unboxing and assembling the hydroponics. So, here you go. It's very heavy. My brother is going to help me. My brother Stephen. Actually, the box comes with everything. So everything means we have this, the submersible pump. Very important. And we have the adapter. And we also have the timer. And all the other parts, we're going to put them all together so it's easier for us to assemble later. To assemble everything. And this is what we're going to do. Okay, you just have to make sure that when you connect these, that it's, of course, it's straight and there is no gap over here. There should not be any gap, and make sure that the holes are straight like this. It should be this way and not like this. It should be like this, straight. So now I'm going to connect the next one. So I will start from here because here will be the holes.